Hey there! Contacts are the backbone of your data infrastructure, facilitating connections with customers and facilitating personalized support based on the past interactions. But how to import contacts to Jira Service Management seamlessly? Use Help Desk Migration Service. First things first, you need to activate the public signup setting and configure project-level permissions. To enable public signup, log in as a user with Jira Administrator's global permissions. Head to the upper right corner, click on Jira Settings, then navigate to Products. Now, locate Customer Access in the left sidebar. Here, choose to allow customers to create accounts and ensure customers can access and send requests from the portal without logging in. Hit Save to confirm your changes. Next, let's address project-level permissions. Go to Projects and select the project where you want to migrate the data. In the left sidebar, choose Customer Permissions under Project Settings. Select Open to enable anyone to submit their requests. Click Save to finalize your settings. With public signup enabled and project-level permissions configured, you're ready for the automated data migration. Ensure these settings are in place ahead of your free demo. Happy migrating!